Ever heard that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Many people believe it weakens your joints or damages your bones. Sounds scary, right? But science says otherwise. Cracking is just gas bubbles popping inside the joint fluid, not your bones grinding. Studies show no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The only downside? Maybe mild swelling or a weaker grip if done too much. So no, cracking your knuckles won't cause arthritis. Follow HealthNourish for more myth-busting health tips.